So if we test this out, we'll notice that we're getting an error. That is because we haven't added a chat model yet. So we go back and add a chat model. I am going to be using OpenAPI chat model. You could use Claude or whatever you want to use, and I will create a new credential. So you need to go to OpenAPI to get your API key. I have OpenAPI open here. I just need to click on my dashboard and go to my API keys. Because I have already created API keys, I can always use my existing API key. But if you haven't created your API key, all you need to do is create a new key, and once that key is created, you paste it here. Make sure you don't share your key with anyone. So I'm just going to click on save, and connection is successful. I'm going to be using the GPT-4 mini model. Based on our prompts, our AI agent will return a score between 0 to 10. So I need to add an if block to tell it what to do if it gets a score between 0 to 10. If it gets a score less than 7, it should do nothing. But if it gets a score greater than 7, then it should send that listing, that job listing, to our Google Sheets. So I'll go ahead and add an if node. I need to test this to get the data. So this is our output. We'll go ahead and drag our output here, but we need to convert it to a number because this will return a string and we're comparing it to a number. So it needs to be greater than or equal to 7. And test this. And this is working. Let me go back. And if this is true, then we connect it to our Google Sheets. We send the job listing to our Google Sheets. So we want to append or update. And we need to connect to a Google Sheets.